Hello everybody, this is Tim with Primeaux RV. It's Feature Friday, and today I'm featuring the Transcend Xplor by Grand Design, okay? This unit comes with 2 aluminum steps, treaded steps, 2 doors with a peephole on here. Both have Linda hands on each door, electric awning, LED lights outside, marine grade speakers. And let me just kind of give you a little hint. When you walk in here, you've never seen anything like this floor plan right here. Come check it out. I've been selling for 9.5 years here at Primeaux RV and never have seen this layout. The double over double bunks. You have the steps for the children to reach in there and get into their location for the evening. USB ports for them also, 110 outlets. I do have a place to make a bed here. There's like a futon bed can be made here also, or a couch. So the kids can sleep here, watch here. You have your TV that's gonna be on the wall here. Theater seating right here on either end, and they both recline with cup holders also, okay? Plenty of counter space. Come on a camp for this size to have this much counter space. You have the flush mount stove top, the chef handle right here with a form sink, big 30-inch doorway here coming here into the bathroom. Huge shower, even for a heavy guy like myself can fit in there. The footprint of that shower is nice. You sink in the bedroom, the front bed here. You use regular queen sheet beds. You don't have to go and look for special beds. And 2 ACs on this unit. Thanks guys for watching another Feature Friday here at Primeaux RV. Again, my name is Tim Roy. Come and see us.